Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing fine. So, this is for the Divine Feminine reading. It's going to be a timeless watch. Whenever you come across this video, just know that there's some hidden message for you out there. Let's begin. Let's see what do we have for the Divine Feminine energy. Wow. Okay. Very clear messages. It's going to be in Hindi and English mix. Let's begin. So the first message that we have is just breathe. Now let me tell you something, that you are coming closer to your pranas, okay, to your vital energy within. Okay, now it can happen through Reiki, it can happen through some breathing technique, but there's something which is happening where you are coming so close to yourself. ऐसा हो सकता है that you might want to just sit and talk to yourself, just sit and be in your own zone, doing nothing, okay, not even doing anything productive. You just want to be close to yourself. Okay, now whatever makes you close to yourself, now it can be listening to bhajans, it can be reading a book, it can be doing nothing and just sitting and thinking, it can be anything. But one thing is for sure, that you are coming closer to yourself. Okay, you will see that there's some shift in your breathing pattern also. Either you're not being able to breathe properly, there's some kind of shallow breathing, or you are doing a lot of deep inhaling and exhaling. So something on the lines of breath is also quite prominent, which I see here. Okay, it's also like I see a very curious energy with the Divine Feminines, where you're really getting to see your higher self, like as in who you really are. Okay, and there's a lot of curiosity behind that. There's also this intriguing energy where you understanding more about yourself, where you seeing your higher self, where एक होता है ना कि एक होता है कि हम किसी को जानने की कोशिश करते हैं, right? We are trying to know someone, and this someone is your true identity, your true nature. Okay, and for that, you know that you only have to go within. So that is definitely happening. Okay, and you are releasing your developed personality. Okay, now personality is what? Personality is something जो हमने develop की है over the period of time. Okay, now this entire personality development happens when we are in our teenage. Okay, because that is the age where we get so much of stimuli from the external world that it makes us, that where our identity becomes too much important, because now it's everything becomes about society, everything becomes about peer pressure, your circle, your family, this and that. So now whatever you built till now about yourself, about your personality, you are getting rid of that. Okay, you are tearing that layer of yours. Okay, and when you tear that layer of yours, that is when you discover something new. And what you discover your Divine Feminine nature. Okay, and just understand Divine Feminine nature. There are certain traits which are common to all the Divine Feminines, but there's something which is very unique, which will make this Divine Feminine unique. Okay, so it's about tapping into the common traits of Divine Feminine, and also understanding or paving a way to understand why you're so special, why this Divine Feminine is so special. Because I'll tell you the reason why. अगर ऐसा ही होता कि सब Divine Feminine सेम होती, तो कोई भी डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन किसी भी डिवाइन फेमिनिन से शादी कर सकता है, वाइस वर्सा, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव अ सर्टेन यूनिक पावर विच इज ओनली आवर्स. ओके, सो नाउ when you understand your own journey, you will understand yourself better, but along with the gift that you have. So this energy that you see in this person's hand is that gift. Now some of you may become teacher, or if you have learned something, so whenever I see this kind of energy, I always relate it to Reiki. You can relate it with something else also. So probably either you're going to teach people something about spirituality, you are going to teach people something about energy healing, something about moon cycles, something about feminine work, something about feminine power. Okay, and some of you, for some, you have learned something and now you're going to help others with that. So there's a lot of teaching energy around that. Okay, I also feel that either some of you already have a dog or a cat. Okay, and you will see whenever you are doing any kind of teaching or any kind of healings or anything of that sort, some animal or your pet would sit next to you. Okay, so and let me tell you, some of you have a very divine pet. Okay, this pet is actually creating a way to their enlightenment through your teachings. Okay, or whenever this pet listens to certain mantras or bhajans and all of that. So I would say this dog or this animal that you have is like really lucky. So yeah. And along with that, I also feel that not everyone is the teacher here. Okay, some of you are also learning from someone very special. This is also something that I see. Okay, now certain things that you have to take care about. All right, one thing is for sure, that you are leaving the cycle of isolation and sadness from your life. Okay, that is happening for sure. You are moving on from something. You are understanding that yes, there are certain things which were really nice for you, which created a lot of beautiful moments for you, but now you are questioning yourself, does that mean that I have to stay? Okay, because with the feminine cycle, there has been this whole conditioning that if you get something good, you settle. Okay, whatever you get, you settle. So now you are eliminating yourself from this settling energy. You are walking away from this settling energy, from this compromising energy. Okay, and here, since we have sadness and isolation, those who have been heartbroken about something, or you felt someone broke your heart, anything of that sort, it could be in friendships, it could be romantically or otherwise, you're going to shine bright for sure. Okay, leaving all the darkness behind. It's like you are stepping into a completely new cycle of love. Okay, you are walking on a path where you find love, the kind of love that you really deserve. Okay, that you are worthy for, that you have waited for. Okay, and let me tell you something, that whenever you end a cycle, जब भी आप एक बहुत important cycle अपनी end करते हो, या जब भी आप अपने खुद का एक part completely release करते हो, it's not going to be very easy. It will create some kind of push and pull. Okay, so you might feel that I don't know whether I'm doing right, I don't know if I should do this, I don't know if this, that. So there's going to be a lot of pull and push, that kind of energy. So be in the present. Okay, do your meditations every day, connect with Devi every day, connect with the higher forces, the higher spirits, because when that will happen, you will be in constant touch with your intuition, and when you will be in constant touch with your intuition, you will be able to express your truth more authentically. You will be able to be in your balanced energy, in your centered energy, and you will be able to see the truth which is coming. Okay, which is not there yet, but something is about to happen in future when it comes to love. Okay, now for some it can be your soul purpose, for some it can be romantic interest as well. Okay, And this romantic interest, if I talk about, it's definitely that divine love that you always wished for, but you are right now at a point, at a phase where all the sadness and isolation needs to be eliminated, okay, where you need to walk away from certain things, and that is happening, but that is happening slowly, okay. Every day is going to be a new day for you. Every day you will see that you are realizing something new, okay, you are learning something new. So that's how it's going to be. So do not need to rush, do not rush in the process, do not hurry, okay, do not judge yourself, do not be impatient about anything. Constantly be in touch with your intuition. When you will feel a certain sense of calmness around you and a certain sense of stillness around you, that will be an answer that you are connected with your intuition. But if there's a lot of feelings and a lot of passion and this and that in your energy, just know that you're connected with your fears and not your intuition, okay. So that is definitely happening. And then the final one, we have the throat chakra. So for some, I do feel that your throat chakra is getting activated, and when you activate your throat chakra, you will be able to use your words more powerfully. Your words will have a great impact on the collective or on the people that you deal with on daily basis. It can be your lover, it can be your ex, it can be your client, it can be anyone. So something related to your throat chakra is definitely happening. Your throat chakra is going to have or experience a completely different kind of shift, a completely new kind of shift, okay. And I don't know, I also feel that there's some kind of healing that is happening, some kind of block is being removed. If you have been someone who couldn't speak your truth, and if you have suppressed your own thoughts, your desires, your point of view, or anything of that sort, that is coming into closure, okay. And I also feel that you have been a prey of this whole peer pressure thing at some point of time, or for some even quite recently as well. So that energy is also coming into completion. So I think that is the message that I have for you, and I hope this message reaches you at the right time. And that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.